How to fix a shank in golf easy method. Most people get this wrong by overcomplicating their stance or swing. The surprising truth is that a simple adjustment in setup and swing path can eliminate shanks almost immediately. Start by examining your stance. Make sure the ball is positioned slightly forward in your stance and that your weight is balanced. Shanks often occur when the club face hits the heel or toe instead of the center. You won't believe how small adjustments in posture can make a big difference. Next, focus on your swing path. Avoid coming in too steep or slicing across the ball. Swing smoothly along the target line and keep your hands ahead of the club at impact. Practicing slow swings while monitoring contact helps train muscle memory. Finally, use drills like placing tees or alignment sticks to guide your swing. These visual aids reinforce proper path and strike, preventing shanks from returning. In conclusion, fixing a shank in golf is achievable with correct stance, swing path adjustments, and consistent practice. Follow these easy steps, and your ball will find the center of the club face more reliably, improving both accuracy and confidence.